Welcome to the Cafe Ex Machina channel. When I design bicycle frames, the Bike CAD application can directly print out a Mitre template. Not everyone has the Bike CAD application, so I made my own Bike Mitre application. In the web application, you only need to enter the head tube diameter, the diameter of the joining tube, and the angle between the tubes. You can adjust the values and the program automatically updates the Mitre template. If the main tube diameter is smaller than the joining tube, you will get an error message. If you get a loading preview message, the application is starting up, just wait a moment until it launches. The wall thickness value defines the thickness of the joining tube. It is used to draw a dashed line which indicates the thinning of the tubes in a surface. When the values are set, click the Download PDF button to get a file you can print on a far paper for the Mitre template. The idea of the Mitre template is to wrap it around the tube. First, check from the measurement line that it is 100 millimeters long. That way, you know you have scaled the paper correctly. Next, cut the template out of the paper along the solid line. Trim the edges precisely to the correct size. Tape the template onto the tube. Note, if you want to center the tube, the edge of the template is the so-called top center, and the middle of the template is the bottom point. And then it's time to hand fill. But a machine file is faster. But in some situations, a hand file is better. With a machine file, the edge thinnings come out really well.
A few moments later.
When the rough filing is done, remove the template paper. Check the fit of the tubes. In the template, the angle between the tubes was 88 degrees. Finally, clean up the edges of the tube for welding. Thank you for watching the video.